Hello everyone! With the Dragon Boat Festival approaching, we're excited to share a special tutorial celebrating this cherished Chinese tradition. Today, we'll show you how to design a dragon boat and sticky rice dumplings using ZWCAD. First, let's insert an image as a reference. Use the shortcut key IAT to insert the picture. Next, input the shortcut key LA to open the Layer Properties Manager. Create two new layers named Image and Hatch, then move the inserted image to the image layer. To make our design work easier, adjust the transparency of the image layer to 70%. This helps the design lines stand out against the background image. Now that we're set up, let's start drawing the dragon boat. We recommend using the spline command for drawing a smooth spline curve. As you work, adjust the fitting points of the spline curve to enhance the curve's smoothness and natural flow. See how the dragon head is taking shape? Since the steps for drawing the rest of the boat are similar, we'll skip ahead to the coloring stage. To color the dragon boat accurately, first copy the image out and switch to the opaque layer 0. Then, hide the original image in the image layer. Enter the command hatch, select the solid pattern, and fill in the different enclosed areas with appropriate colors sequentially. With the dragon head section colored, proceed to fill the rest of the drawing. As for the dragon scales on the hull, let's use the Super Hatch command for a quick and effective method. Start by drawing several circles and squares, then use the Trim command to create a standard pattern of dragon scales. Enter the shortcut WB to create an external block file for the dragon scale pattern. Input the shortcut SUP to activate the Super Hatch command. Select the block option and choose the external block file you just created. Follow the command prompts to fill the hull with the pattern. To ensure the scales appear over the hull, input the shortcut DR. Select the front option from the drawing order, and bring the dragon scale pattern to the top layer. Finally, use the Smart Select command to select all the lines, and adjust their color and line weight. Adjust some of the lines further to refine your design. And there you have it, the Dragon Boat Festival design featuring sticky rice dumplings and a dragon boat is finished. Go ahead and give it a try. Happy Dragon Boat Festival!